voter data, the voter data of 55 million Filipinos has been exposed, violated, mutilated. Everybody is a potential victim. This is a gross betrayal of public trust. A gross betrayal of public trust. We went to the COMELEC, defied the heat to register ourselves for the elections. We filled up forms, submitted our fingerprints and photos with the knowledge that the Commission on Elections, the fearless and arrogant guardian of our voter rights, who lectured us day in and day out that we should submit to them, to their benevolence and intelligence, that these people betrayed us. Diba, we were assuming, and we were correct to assume, that the COMELEC placed our voter data under lock and key, that the COMELEC protected our data. If we do not act, and if we belittle this issue, it has so many repercussions beyond identity theft. It will endanger our voter rights. It will endanger the automated election system. Smash the lies that pervade the internet about this being solvable through mere changing of passwords and security verification details. Will the COMELEC pay for the replacement of all passports of OFWs? Can we change our names? No. But we can change our government. And we can change the people in the COMELEC. Could punish them. Up to now, the COMELEC has not admitted directly to voters that that was our voter data. This is not a personal issue. This is a national issue.